I bought these gifts for you because my skincare brand turned 1 and I want to put these gifts into your orders so that when you open your order, you'll find a digital camera or a Louis Vuitton wallet or a Tiffany necklace or a Chanel perfume. I just want to give back to you because you guys support me so much. I want to support you as well. And I thought the smartest way to do this is just pick a bunch of random orders, line them all up, and then put the gifts in there, right? Then I realized I got 2 huge Coach bags and they're not going to fit in the box. So I thought, okay, I have a box right here and I'm just going to empty the packing peanuts into here and it'll work. Turns out it did not work. I completely miscalculated the size of this box. But you know what? I just sent it because it was already a mess. Might as well make a bigger mess. Okay, a mess is a mess. And it fixed my problem. I now had a box for the Coach bag. So I put that inside. Something I know is that you guys are obsessed with my Instagram photos. You're always asking what digital camera I use because the quality is so good. Well, I went to a shop and I said, give me every Kodak digital camera you have because I know you guys love it. So I bought every single one they had. This is mine actually. It's very old and dirty, but the photos are a vibe. They're that vibe that you want on a digital camera, I'm telling you. So I got a bunch of those to put into the orders as well. Then we got home and I re-upped Mama on some lip balms, right? And I went outside and I saw the boys were chilling, making a fire in the sunset. Hello. So I went inside and got some up and goes for us because obviously that's a vibe. Can I just give a disclaimer? I don't do ads. So if I say I love something, I genuinely love it. I am not getting paid to say that I love it. I promise you. I don't want to do that. I've never done that, by the way. Anyways, besides the point, I did some online shopping and I unboxed everything and I forgot what came because these things took like 2 or 3 months to come. So I got some slippers that Mama loved a lot and I ended up giving to her because it's very cute. Then I opened this big thing and I didn't know what it was. Turns out it was a blanket and it is so cute. I don't know why I bought it, but I love myself for buying this. I think I'm going to use it on the beach. I think it'd be cute. I even went and I spread it out and I forgot that I was being filmed for this. I was genuinely just admiring it because it has a bunch of pumpkins and a bunch of cats and I thought it was cute. I'm going to put it on the beach so it's going to be a vibe. Anyways, I also got this heart-shaped mirror that's super cute to look at, but I don't know where to put. I got some $2 glasses. I got like cat-shaped cookie cutters so I can make cat cookies. And then I got these red glasses and Mama said they were so ugly. She was laughing at me. She said I looked like a kid's toy, but I don't care. Okay, I guess I'll throw them away. They were $2 anyway. So at the back of the bag, there were some stickers as well, and I forgot about these, and I was so happy because the Hello Kitties kids are so cute. I love myself for ordering these. I put one on my phone case straight away. And then the rest of the night, we were just like unboxing and watching YouTube and eating, and it was a vibe. We were chilling.